If you are walking towards a worthwhile goal, there is no reason in shortening the path. The path is also important. Nothing can replace hard work. To become a runner, you have to run. To become a writer, you have to write. To be happy in a relationship, you have to work on it. There is always a way to become more efficient and use your energy smarter. To build something worthwhile, you have to spend efforts. Then they'll pay you off with interest. Sometimes, trying to make life easier for yourself only makes things more complicated. One day, you'll look back at your life and realize that all worthwhile things required effort from you. This is as it should be, because complexities prepare ordinary people for extraordinary success. Any struggle strengthens the personality, given an experience or a lesson. That decision to put up with mediocrity is a dream killer. If you put up with anything, you'll never know what you really are. You have enough time to become who you want to be. Despite all the difficulties you face, never stop fighting for yourself. Don't take the easy path, and don't settle for less than what you are capable of. Sometimes you need to look at the situation from the outside and create something new. To become stronger means to grow above your old habits, relationships, lifestyle, and find something completely different that will move you forward. This is the essence. You cannot put up with anything. We all live to find our way, and we'll never be happy if we begin to live by someone else's rules, obeying someone else's desires. Therefore, stop being ashamed of your feelings. You have the right to experience any emotion and follow any path if you like it. Don't compare yourself to others, and don't let their success upset you. Listen to your intuition, never give up, and stop expecting others to understand you. Good luck to you!